Come test drive this 2014 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.